Hello guys again. I'm going to be talking about Roman numerals today, and let's get started. So, there's many types of Roman numerals. So, there are 7 total letters in Roman numerals. That is M, there is D, there is C, there is L, there is X, there is V, and there is I. Okay. So now I'm going to go through what is what. So M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, V is 5, and I is 1. Okay, so just for handy dandy keeping, we're going to keep this in this corner. And then we're going to do a couple of problems. On math and science, they really just ask, how do you write blah 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 in Roman numerals? So like, let's say, how do you write 99 in Roman numerals? Okay, so the way to write Roman numerals is there's 3 rules. Okay, 3 letters cannot be repeated. More than 3 letters cannot be repeated in Roman numerals. So you can't write 4 I's. Like, you can't do this. That's wrong, because there's more than 3 letters that are the same in a row. Also, another rule is you can't add then subtract. So like, if you wrote X, X, L, that does not equal to 30. Last rule is the previous number has to be either 10 times less or more before it. So what I mean by that is, like, if I wrote 99 and I wrote it like IC, that's wrong. Because if you do 10 times less of C, which is 100, it is 10, and 1 is definitely smaller than 10. So the correct way to write Roman numerals, or the correct way to write 99, you would have to do XC, which is 90, right? And then you do IX. That would be 99. So if you do XC, which is 90, and then you add 9, which is IX, then you get 99. Now you may be thinking that I'm conflicting myself from up here where I told you can't add then subtract. But over here, what they're doing here is you're adding 20 to subtract from 50. Basically, all you're doing here is making it 50 again, because you're subtracting X from L, which is 40, and you're adding 10. But that's the wrong syntax anyway. So I'm going to do a couple of problems. Here. I'm going to put that in the corner, or we don't need that anymore, so we'll move that out of the way. Okay, and now we'll do maybe a couple of problems. So on math and science, there's a question probably like M, C, D, X, L, V, I, and they're going to ask you, what the heck is that? Alright, so by using our chart right here, we're gonna solve this, I guess. So M is 1000. Another M, which is multiplied by 2. Then let's add CD, because if you look at the next one, it's a D. So you have to subtract 100 from 500, which is 400. Then we see XL. So then we subtract 10 from 50, which is 40. And then we have VII. So that means 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer for this one would be 2,447. I mean, this looks a little bit hard and intimidating at first, but it's really easy after you get it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch the next video. Bye.